So I wanted to do a little test because there was a discussion going on in a Cricut Facebook group I'm in, and it was about welding letters. There was somebody that was saying if you just type it up like this and weld your letters, your words are going to cut out all as one word. And I was like, nope, your letters have to be touching for Weld to cut them out as full letters. So I am going to do this. The red one is going to be they're not touching, and the green is the one where they are touching. So if I select this and go weld, it's going to connect the T to the H. Okay, so this will cut out as one word except for the I's dot is separate. These will cut out, these two letters will cut out as one word, and then the word test will cut out as one word. Okay, so according to somebody on a Facebook group, they said if you just select them all and hit weld, these are going to cut out as one word. I was like, no, because they're not touching. Well, how can we verify this? Well, we're going to go make it. And you can see in the make it preview, these are still cutting as separate individual letters. Why? They weren't touching. But let's go to the green one. They are cutting out as full words. The difference is that the letters were touching. And then I clicked weld. So when you click weld without the letters touching, it's not going to do anything. I mean, it's going to hold the placement of the letters so that they cut out exactly the same spacing apart. But you can do that with using attach also. So I hope this clarifies for everyone that you really do need to have your letters touching each other before you hit weld in order for them to cut out as a full word. Hey, if you have any questions, feel free to drop me a comment, give me a thumbs up on this video, and subscribe to my YouTube channel so you can get my latest and greatest tutorials. Thanks.